Hello, my name is Mike. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer a worker from one region to another. I'm signed in as an HR specialist. I was just notified that Ralph Ambers needs to be transferred. First, I'll search for Ralph. Ralph is a sales rep in the Sales West US department. Since we're transferring Ralph, I'll select Update and create a new employment record for him. If I select Correct, it would replace his current employment record and erase his employment history, which I do not want to do. There was a reorganization in the sales group, so I'm going to do a transfer to change Ralph's department. His transfer will be effective starting next Monday, so I'll select that as the effective start date. His new department will be Sales East US. And his new location will be New York, New York. He'll be in the same business unit with the same manager, job, grade, and salary, so that's all the changes I need. Now that I've updated his information, I'll review it to make sure everything was entered correctly. I've got all the changes entered and everything looks correct, so I'm ready to submit. Ralph's transfer is now complete. This concludes the Transferring a Worker tutorial. Thank you.